Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm an all-round welder, so I do MIG, TIG and arc welding. I've been professionally welding for the last 10 years and been off and on welding for the past 20. Over the years I've used different brands of helmets and I've gone back to Miller because Miller has a X-mode feature which I find extremely useful for low-amp TIG welding and especially outdoors. So over the years of using different brands of helmets, my main pain points have been outdoor welding reflections, low-amp TIG welding, especially when you can't see around a corner, and also strobe lights from other people's forklifts and grinders. For me, the X-mode feature has made my welding a lot easier, especially with the outdoors. No more reflections I have to worry about. All I need to do is concentrate on what I'm doing. The feature is absolutely brilliant. Saves a lot of time and a lot of hassle. I would recommend the X-mode feature to other welders, especially guys that are TIG welding and outdoor welding. The features on this make your life much easier. You no longer have to worry about flashes. The feature works every time,